Hi there and welcome again. This is your second tutorial in the C++ programming language. So today we are going to be dealing with the types of variables, and I want to go through the hash include iostream and using namespace and std and the functions, the main functions. I just want to go through the basics, alright? Through the variables, not the very exact variables, but just the type of variables, and then we are going to go little by little so we can learn the more stuff about the C++ language. Alright, so what types of variables can C++ handle? What types of variables can C++ be familiar with, can know? There are basically 5 types of variables. So the first type is the integers, and its code or its abbreviation is int. So what are the integer variables or the integer values that a variable can handle? So a variable, of course, we know that we can just write a or b or c or whatever. So if a is an integer variable, or what are the numbers that he can handle? So he can handle just the simple numbers like the positive and the negative numbers that don't have the decimal part in their own structure. So like the 2, 0, -2, -5, -10, -1000, 2000, I don't know, and so on, right? So these are the numbers that an integer variable can handle. So the second type is the Boolean variable, and bool, it stands for Boolean variables. So what are the Boolean variables? For example, we have a variable which is b. What are the values that b can handle? So it can be either true, true or false. So if b is true, that means b equals 1, and if b is false, that means that b equals 0. So there is only 2 possibilities, either all or nothing. So the third type is let me see, the float type. So as we were saying, for example, C can, what are the float numbers? For example, the float numbers are the simple numbers with negative and positive, but they have the decimal part, right? So 2.5, I don't know, minus 6.6, 100 also, because the float is more general than the integers. So the integers are sucked in the float kind of numbers. So so it can be a 2, it can be -2, because -2 is basically a -2.000 or something. So it can be also 9.5, -10.4, I don't know. It is pretty much endless numbers, alright? So the fourth type is so these three types are basically for numbers, right? And these 2 are for numbers. This is for situations, either are true or false, and there are 2 left. The one is for letters or characters. So char stands for character, alright? So for example, d equals, I don't know, h, only one character, right? Only one letter, h, no, T, X, A with the caps, B with caps, I don't know. So but for the record, guys, this is not the right syntax. This is not the right writing for giving a number a value, right? I am not going to go through the real syntax until the next video. So today we are here just to learn and know what are the type of variables. That's it, because I have to end each code with a semicolon and everything. So, but I am not going to concentrate with that, right? So I just want you to learn what are the type of variables that C++ can handle. For the last one is string. String, yeah, there you go. String is basically a bunch of characters sucked in once. So basically, it is a word, right? It is a word. So A, B, C, D, E can be hello, can be what's up. Oh, no, what's up? No, what, for example. No. And so on, right? It is just a word. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos, and keep watching my playlist for C++ if you want to learn some C++ in a simple way or a basic way, so I can give you a head start for that. And don't forget to give me your your comments and opinions in the comments, so I could be attached to you. So thank you guys for watching. Peace. See you in the next one.